Alright, so right now I'm looking at this liquidity grab on gold. I actually have to get in right now because I'm about to miss the trade. It's already taken off on me, so if it comes back, I'll take it. If it doesn't come back to my entry, then I won't take it. Um, I want to say, bro, like with this new challenge, I most definitely am just going to follow my rules to the T, bro. Like no rushing, no taking trades that are on Wednesdays, no trading when news is about to come out, no trading when okay, we
Order
got the
filled.
candle back to the entry, so I'm in. Stop loss is gonna go underneath the green candle. No taking trades that are just like low quality, none of that, bro. And I'm purely just gonna go for one to one. Like I don't know. I feel like lately I've been going against my rules, trying to rush this shit, and it's been definitely destroying me. So I really need to just stop with the emotional attachment to it all, and be extremely patient with this whole entire thing. Let me figure out where. Let me figure out what my stop loss or my take profit, I mean, is going to go to. So actually, I need to calculate on this one. Wait, this one. Ah, wait, did I put? Oh no, I didn't. Okay, so 346. I think it was like this one right here. Why does it look weird? 3.8, 346.8.
Order rejected.
Not me to do that. But my brain is not in the game right now. Alright, stop losses right here. Um, what was I saying? Yeah, man. With this challenge, I'm just gonna be disconnected from it completely emotionally. Like I'm gonna just not care about winning, about losing. I don't care. Like I can't care because when I do care, I start doing stupid stuff. I start trying to rush it. I start trying to get crazy big wins and risk more than I should. And if I lose a trade, I'll try to make it back and go for runners that don't make sense. And in the long run, it definitely just ruins me. So I need to completely disconnect and not care at all. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with this challenge. I feel like I could go far if I just did that. Uh, so yeah, I mean, I already have the rules set for me. I just need to follow them. Like I was going against stupid rules. I shouldn't have been trading Wednesdays. Wednesdays is full of news. Terrible day to trade. Shouldn't be trading on New York Open. Terrible time to trade. Already knew that. Shouldn't be taking low probability, low quality setups against the trend. And just the reason I take those setups is because I'm impatient. I'm trying to take a trade practically every single day. Like I'm out here, like I mean, I'm out here just taking a trade every day, and that's not. I already know that's not right. That definitely can't. They can't be right. It's impossible to have a winning setup every single day of the week. You know what I mean? So I really need to just choose the highest quality setups possible, and yeah, we'll see how well I can stick to those rules. Um, I feel like there was a time in my trading career where it was like I was completely disconnected from it and totally like I wouldn't even care to trade almost because I've been doing it for so long that there was a time that came where I was just like so disconnected from trading that I actually didn't care. I continued to do it every single day and I showed up every single day, but I never was like emotionally um, attached. Like I had no care for trading. I kind of was just like, well, this is just something I do daily. Like this is nothing. I wasn't trying to set a time period on when I want to get a payout, or I wasn't trying to rush it. Like it was kind of just like, how do I explain this? It was kind of like I would just show it to the market, and whatever happened, and it didn't bother me at all. I didn't care if there wasn't a setup that day. I didn't care if I lost that day. I didn't care if I won that day. Like it didn't affect anything mentally, and I would just kind of go about my day and not even think about it. There was a point where I was like that, and I feel like when I was like that, I was way better. I was doing way better um, with trading, but yeah, I'm gonna try to maintain that mindset with this account, because definitely have been getting ahead of myself, and I have definitely been doing things that are just so pointless and stupid. So basically, what I'm saying is I'm locking the fuck in. I need to disconnect from the whole money thing. Who cares about money? It's just a fucking material. I need to live my life how it is already. You know what I mean? I have to be grateful and happy with my position now in life, and not dwell on, oh, I don't have money, I'm broke. You know what I mean? Like, obviously, I want to be rich, obviously, but like, I can't let it affect me mentally, because that shit is just not right, bro. It's just not right. Um, with the rejection like that, I almost want to just close break even. Because we are tapping into a 5-minute supply zone, and the EMAs are not looking too good for me, so I may just take this supply zone instead. Let's see. Yeah, I'm closing.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna get in for this supply.
Order filled.
Alright, well, I'm gonna close here.
Order filled.
Take the 800. I don't really care. I didn't even realize it was 630, bro. That obviously hit 1-to-1. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go over what my thought process for today, and then I want to talk a little bit more about my mindset. I feel like I have a few more things to say, because I mean, I just got done saying I'm not gonna take a trade on 6:30 open, which is New York Open, and I just did it. Like, what? I didn't realize though. But anyways, so today I pulled up to the markets. You can clearly see the overall trend is bearish, right? Right now we're having a nice little pullback to the downside. Gold obviously seemed like it wanted to make its way back up. It came back down, and now it's kind of just playing around, right? When I go to the 1-hour time frame, this just looks like a very clean pullback to then make a lower high and continue that drop. That's what I'm seeing, especially with these wicks right here. This does not look bullish at all. So yeah, I was just like, well, this definitely looks like it has some room to fall down a little bit more before it wants to continue back up, if it wants to do that, right? So that was that thought process. I'm gonna go back to the 5-minute and show you guys why I took this liquidity grab, I guess. So this liquidity grab that I took, let's go to replay mode. Actually, it might even hit again, but let's see. So this liquidity grab, obviously you can see we grabbed these lows right here, with this green candle. And the reason that I liked that liquidity grab was because yes, we are on a pullback right now currently to the downside on the higher time frame, but the to be real, the overall trend is bullish. Like the overall trend is bullish, right? It is bullish. Technically, this is just a pullback. This is not a downtrend yet. Um, but then again, it's a little bit confusing because it's like, okay, well, if it's not a downtrend yet, why are you taking a supply setup? Well, because I just felt that with this pullback and then this push to the upside with another pullback, and then it was really just these wicks right here. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest, it was really just these wicks right here. The way these candles were forming, it looked like the momentum and going bullish was just not existent. So that made me feel confident. And then if I go to the 5 minute time frame, it was these EMAs as well that made me feel pretty good about taking a sell. Now, do I think gold can continue to go bullish? 100%. I think overall gold is a bullish pair. Um, but I mean, you can't tell. You can't exactly identify exactly what the market wants to do. So you kind of just have to go with exactly what you see, right? And yeah, so what I seen was that liquidity grab didn't want to play out. It wanted to hold on the supply zone. I don't know. It's a little bit confusing and hard to really explain because it's almost as if like you're doing both, but realistically, price action is kind of in a very pivotal spot in it to where it could do both. You just have to find the signs that look the best to take, I guess, right? Like there's a lot of potential for gold to go up, but there's also a lot of potential for gold to sell off. So what do you see in the moment? Exactly, you know what I mean? And what I saw at the moment was, okay, potential for buys to come out of gold, and then obviously only a couple minutes later did I see that nah, this is not going to work out. There's no potential, especially with the way this is wicking off the supply zone, and then you have these EMAs right above, right? So your thought process can definitely switch very quick as to where the market may want to go and take you. But yeah, I'm done ranting. My brain is not working. I just woke up. I need to go drink some water, get some sunlight, get on with my day. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, I guess. I literally was only on the charts for like not even 20 minutes, and I'm already done. Realistically, nothing else really looks too good. Honestly, NAS and SPX aren't throwing shit. They look pretty terrible in my eyes. And then gold, I just don't really feel like giving my profits back. So yeah, I'll definitely keep my eyes on the charts, but unless something is absolutely just bread and butter, super clean setup, then I'm not taking it. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here.